Hello everybody, welcome to this video, and in this video we'll be making QR codes using Python. So now let's begin with the video. So in case you do not have this package, just pip install QR code, you can just write this and you'll be having the package. Now, what's the first line to write this code? So we do import QR code. It's simple. So now what I want you to do is that you will be opening you will be writing data, which is the technically the website I'll be giving you data. Input what website do you want to generate a QR code of. So for example, if I enter a website like google.com, then it will use the code, it will run the program and the computer will generate a QR code of the website I've inputted. So I'll be showing an example also, and by the end of the video, I'll also be showing a flowchart which will explain this a little bit more in detail. So let's begin. So QR equals QR code dot make data. So here, this is the initiating code, and I'll be naming the initiating code for making a QR code. So it's really simple. Now, in case you just now will be saving it, QR dot save, anything QR save, subscribe, png. No, this will instantly happen. No need of uh, like getting the image over here, then you like save it. No, it instantly saves. So if we QR code save as subscribe to national.png. Now, sorry. Yes, so this is how it is. Um, now I'll be just getting a website. So for this, I'll be using our own Rationalist website. Just a minute. Yeah, so this is the Rational Wage website. You can check it out. All the videos will be over here. Content schedule, you name it, it's over here. And also a few books that I'll be writing. First one's coming up, Learning Scratch from Scratch. Not out yet, but as soon as I publish it, it's for free. You can just check it out. Now this is the website, and let's run the code. Let's see if there are any syntax errors. Not in case you get a syntax error, it's all right, not a big crime. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay, enter. Okay, perfect. Now I'll be seeing the okay. I'll just open and Shazam. This is how fast I can do it. Scan the QR code right now. It's just loading. Yeah, this is our QR code. Now I'll be using my mobile phone to scan this QR code to show that it is legit. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it worked. Well, it worked. It is actually working. I know the glare is going to allow this, but this, this is our website. It's really easy to make this. And yeah, and don't forget to check our website. Everything is over here. Note, in the next video, we'll be making something really good, which is our own text to speech converter. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. In case you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can be good at programming too. So stay curious, stay rational. And that's it for this video. Meet you in the next one. Goodbye.